Hello everyone, this is Palavika Borthakur, a qualified physiotherapist as well as a management professional working in Bangalore, India. Some months back, I came before you with a set of breathing exercises which is very important for this current pandemic. And today I come before you with a quick recap of those exercises plus some additional exercises which will help in increasing your lung expansion, and if you suddenly decrease any saturation in your oxygen in your pulse oximeter, you can quickly practice these techniques and improve the saturation. This is very important for any people who are suffering with COVID. Even during their stay in hospitals, they are being given such exercises, and if you are at home, you can start practicing on your own to improve your breathing capacity. So let me just go ahead discussing with the exercises. First, let me show you the most common and the easiest way of breathing exercises which will help expanding your lungs. What you should do is, you should focus that you breathe as whole as possible from your stomach and breathe out slowly. So let me just show you the best position for this is, and the most easiest position is lying down on your back. You can rest your head on a pillow. Yes. And look how to do it correctly. Put one hand on your stomach and on your chest. When you breathe in, your stomach should go up. And hold your breath and breathe out slowly, if possible through your mouth. Let me show you once again. First let the stomach expand and then your chest. Again. If you notice, I am keeping my mouth as pursed while I am breathing out, like you whistle. See? Let me show you inside sitting as well. You're sitting like this, one hand on your stomach, one on your chest, and look here. Hold. The next important tip is, which everyone has been discussing these days about prone lying and breathing. What happens if you by chance see your oximeter and see that the pulse, so that the oxygen saturation is decreasing, you can immediately try this. See, like this, you take a pillow, lie down prone, your chest on the pillow, and your head like this towards the side, and breathe. If you put a hand backside, you will be able to feel the expansion of your lungs backside. And in this position, if you fit your pulse oximeter and see, you will see that your oxygen is improving. But yes, not immediately. Lie down for some time and then check. You will see a difference for sure in your oxygen saturation. Let me tell you the scientific reason behind this. Our lungs is not just one thing, it has got different lobes, and there are two large lobes which is lying behind on the back side. So when you lie down like this, which many of the patients do for a long time, your lungs are not able to expand down properly. That means your lungs are not fully expanded. But once you turn prone and take a pillow, there is lot of space on the back side that your lungs get to expand. So your breathing improves. Many times, if you have noticed, so many people have the habit of sleeping on their stomach and they get a very deep sleep. They even start snoring in the sleep. They quickly fall asleep. Do you know why? Because automatically they are not realizing they are breathing very well, their body is getting relaxed and they sleep off. Now, the problem comes for people whose stomach is too big, or they have a huge body weight. They are not able to lie long down. long time down on your stomach. So for them, the same technique can be practiced in a little modified way in side lying. Take a pillow on your head, that is all fine. Take another pillow on your side and see, I'm supporting my chest and lungs on this. Okay, you can keep your hand like this. Take another pillow if you want over here and rest this hand. I'll show you this way. I'm taking another pillow and making it hard, trying to bring as much as possible on my chest here. Take another pillow for your head and your hands like this and start breathing relaxedly. This will improve your oxygen flow into your lungs expansion, and this position you can also use for reading books, watching TV, looking at your mobile. So hope these new techniques will help you in this current situation, help you to be more relaxed and not to suddenly panic if you see your oxygen saturation coming down. However, if it is continuously coming down and your fever is not going down, and this is the time you should contact your doctor.